Hey guys, today we're taking a look at a 4K REOLink security camera. This was sent over to me to do a quick unboxing and to try it out and let you know what I think about it. So let's get an unboxing what we have and get it hooked up and see how well it works. So let's get to it. There's all your paperwork here. Looks like you have your mounting hardware, power block, and the camera itself. Now this is supposed to be wired or Wi-Fi, whichever way you want to go with it. As your port for your Cat5 cable, your network cable, and your power cord. It is PTZ 360 degree, 8 megapixel, dual lens. Oh, cool. It does come with some Cat5 cable. A little short, but it does come with it. And the power cord. Take a closer look at the camera itself. It's got some nice weight to it. Okay, looking at the front of it, you have your infrared lenses, you have your spotlights, and you have your regular camera lenses. Down here on the bottom, we have our SD card and a reset button. But you'll need a little Phillips screwdriver to get these screws out to expose those. We're going to go ahead and put the SD card in there. As I was saying, you have your SD card slot and your reset button up in here. Now here on the back you have your speaker. It does have two-way communication. Your microphone will be up here on the front. What's really impressive is that is metal. It's not that cheap plastic. This is an all metal camera. Very heavy duty and very solid feeling. Doesn't feel cheap. Okay, I've went ahead and left that little cover off in case we have to hit reset or something. I just wanted to leave that off for right now. I'm going to get it plugged in and see what happens. We'll have to get the app installed. And actually, I have the REOLink app already installed. So I should be able to just add a new camera, but we will see. Power on. There we go.
Welcome to REOLink. Please install REOLink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
That QR code on top of that camera is not the QR code to scan to install the app. QR code is located in the instruction manual here. Now scan your QR code. You'll have to install the app if it's not already installed. That is loud. Anyway, I already have it installed, so we'll click open. This is where I will add a new camera. I'll hit the little plus sign up on the top right. Now I will scan this QR code.
Welcome to REOLink. Please install. Willkommen bei Link App installieren.
Okay, it says to connect your network cable. So we're going to have to move into the office to do this part of it. Okay, we're going to connect our network cable and we will connect our power supply again. Okay, we should be ready to go. Access the camera. Starting initialization. You want to enter your password, name your device, Wi-Fi settings, enter your network password, click save. You can do all that there if you want to. There we go. It is set up. So now all you're going to do is click on the camera screen and it will turn it on. There we are. Now we're just going to take a quick look at the app. I'm not going into details with it. We'll just take a quick look. Detection alarm. You can detect person, vehicle, animal, or motion detection. Camera recording on. There's that. I'm just going to click through there so you can see them. Most everything you're going to leave pretty much like it is set. Auto tracking, I'm going to turn that on. I like that. That's a pretty cool feature. And one of the things I didn't show you, you have a detection zone. You click on that and you can draw in areas that you don't want it to detect, and that will take care of that. Like if you're out in the street, you don't need to be detecting the street motion, so you could color in that and it would not give notifications in that area. The app seems to be very responsive. You've got your push notifications. This is what will send notifications to your phone. I will turn that on and hit test. And there you go. And you can share this device with friends. They just have to scan the QR code with their phone. Okay, to reformat your SD card, click back up there where it says porch. That'll open that up. Click on storage, and then you can format your card. I'm going to go ahead and reformat it. So we have a clean start. Now, let's go put it outside. It is starting to get dark, but maybe you'll be able to tell the quality of it, and then we'll check it again when it gets dark. Okay, we have got it set up and going. Looks like it's going to do a pretty good job here. It's almost getting dark out here, not quite. The local cat has come over for dinner. Have to get her fed in a moment. But there you go. This is a screen recording of the camera. Notice that zoomed in. Looks like the tracking works really good. Now when you're first setting this up, you'll connect it to your home network, but it also connects to your Wi-Fi. So once you bring it out here, it will connect right to your Wi-Fi. I didn't have to do anything. Just plug it back in and back in business. Not real sure why it lost me there and it didn't track me. It tracks you there real good. See if there's a tracking setting. There it goes. Okay. So you just have to make sure that you get the setting set for your left view and your right view tracking. Doing a really good job. Okay, we're going to come back out here tonight when it gets dark and see what it looks like then. Okay, it has gotten dark and we are going to go out there and see what it looks like. I'm going to start a little screen recording here, and we're going to do just a recording when you hit record on the app itself, and we'll see what that looks like. Now you can put this on single screen or the dual screen. The second screen is mainly just the zoom. Anyway, let's go see what it looks like. Another cool thing is the light will come on when it detects motion. Just like that. Makes it color out here. I really like that feature. You can basically use it like a porch light. This is what it looks like at night. Really a clear picture. Okay, there's a couple of things I didn't realize last night. Number one, I didn't have the audio on. And number two, I didn't realize that you needed to take the footage off the SD card in order to view the 4K footage. Otherwise, it's going to be at a lower resolution when it's going through the app. So we're going to see what the 4K footage looks like. I guess I stood still too long and it went back to the regular view. Anyway, let's see what the audio sounds like and the 4K footage. Okay guys, I tell you what, after looking at that video footage and the 4K footage, the night footage, and all the app features, this is a huge thumbs up. I like the fact that it's a metal body too. It's not the cheaper plastic, nothing wrong with the plastic, just you know you're getting quality when you get the REOLink. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, if you want to check this out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description, and I'll also put a playlist right over here in case you want to look at some more security cameras, security lighting, different things such as that. You might find something else over there that you would be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.